Today we have the Brightest Tandem OLED with the Asus PG27AQWP-W, showcasing Call of Duty Black Ops 7. Here we're looking at a true black glossy panel, that amazing coating that is very reflective and looks very clear versus matte coatings. 1440p at 540Hz and 720p at 720Hz. Display HDR True Black 500 support with Asus's custom heatsink. And when I say this is fast, this is pinpoint fast with that OLED clarity and this 4th gen OLED panel. This is one of my favorite gaming monitors right now. I love that blue logo instead of the red. And from consoles to the PC, I'm just amazed by the brightness impact, the total visual picture that this monitor gives me. This is the brightest 27-inch OLED on the market, guys. And if you want that brightness impact, this is it. You can't get better currently. I'll be showcasing many more games on the Asus PG27AQWP ROG Swift Tandem OLED panel. And my best impactful settings will be on screen or in the description, along with affiliate links. So if you decide to try out this monitor at no extra cost to you, it would help the channel tremendously, and I would truly appreciate it. Consider becoming a YouTube member, as I'll have exclusive content, exclusive videos of this monitor among other monitors here on the channel, exclusively for the members. And hit that subscribe button if you want to see more POV gameplay videos just like this one. Like, share, and hype this video please, as it goes a long way in helping out the channel. And I've said this before, but seriously, once you see this type of panel, this quality, this brightness impact in HDR, it's very hard to go back to any other technology, even mini LED. I showcase a lot of monitors here on the channel, but when you have the best of the best, it's very hard to go back to an inferior technology, even with all the bells and whistles. I'll try to have some versus videos of mini LED versus Tandem OLED very soon, so you can see what I'm talking about. But anyway guys, it's time to game on the Tandem OLED Asus PG27AQWP/P True Black Glossy 1440p 540Hz gaming monitor with Call of Duty Black Ops 7.
You're losing. Switch it up. Hostiles released a skewer. bail. This operation needs a hard reboot.
You deviate from the plan, and that's what you get.